So we have a race face turbine wheel here, and this is the Vault Hub, which is pretty cool. You can read about it online, but nowhere online have I seen a video showing how to take this hub off, this thing that your cassettes go on, because this is for SRAM, and I have the, this is for Shimano, and I have the SRAM design, which fits on there. So I gotta take this off. So I wanna make a video that shows exactly how to do this. Will you hold this for me? Thank you, baby. You can hold it like right there. So you just pull up on here, take that piece off. This is clean, so I'm not wearing gloves, and then pull up there, take that piece off. So that's the Vault hub assembly. And then I'm gonna sell this online. I would have bought my bike with the correct hub, except they didn't have it in stock. And to order one that had the correct one would have been until November, like another month away. So I spent another $100 on the XG SRAM version that fits the XG hub assembly, or XG drivetrains. So I'm going to show how to put one of these back on. So it looks like we have a little bit of a spacer there. So yeah, you don't need any special tools. It's just pulling up or pushing down. Put that spacer in there. Oh, there's already one there. That's why you check. Okay, taking that off. We don't need two spacers. I'm putting that volume spacer back on because I can see I have one right there. And that separates that bearing from that bearing. And these bearings, I'm going to put this in the light so I can see. These are 6902LU 3602 bearings. And pop this guy on. Pop the teeth in. Should set in there. Just gonna double check with my light to make sure I have all the pedals correctly. And those look fine. Okay. Oh, there it goes. I just did it, turned it a little bit counterclockwise, and by doing that, those pedals flipped in, and now they're making that clanking sound. So when you do clockwise, they lock into gear, and the wheel moves. Okay, now I got this cap. It's wider on the XD compatible hub. I'm gonna pop that on, and I'm done. Now, the Vault says I need to put 29 foot-pound on those threads. So I got my threads there, and that's what I'm going to do in my next step. So that just kind of goes on, and I'll screw it on, but I'm not going to show that in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps people understand how these race face free hub bodies go on and off for SRAM and Shimano.